Guys, in my last video I explained that we were looking at an apartment. Sadly we didn't get it. They said it was too small for us. We are still looking. So I wanted to show you this video though. It's going to be real quick, real informal. But in my past video, I kind of explained our situation. If you're interested in what's going on with us, I put a link down below to my past video so you can kind of understand what our situation is. But once we do get moved into a place and get situated, I have a bunch of videos I have planned for you guys. But this video today, I was at the Dollar Tree and I found some amazing products, especially in the organizing stuff. They actually put out their organizing products a little bit early this year, and I picked some stuff up that you will be surprised that I even got at the Dollar Tree. Okay, this is the first product that I found. This bin is huge. If you can see, I put all of our bathroom stuff in there. That way it's all in one spot and it's not cluttering up the whole sink and everything. But if you see here, I have all of my makeup, all of our toothbrush stuff, everything in here. And like I said, this came from the Dollar Tree, so it was only $1. And in some stores, it might be $1.25 now, depending on your store. But this is a great deal. The next thing I found was this fabric bin, and inside I'm just keeping stuff like socks and underwear and bras, stuff that's hard to keep track of when we're in a hotel like this. Like I said, I'll have more organizing videos coming up as soon as we get moved, so you'll see a lot more of these organizing products that they have. Also, when I was there, I also picked up some non-organizational stuff. This little love heart was so cute, and I figured it'd make this place a little bit more homey. Picked up one of my favorite products there, the LA Awesome, and I also got the spray bottle to help dilute it. I do have a cleaning video coming up soon for you guys, so make sure you catch that. So just make sure, leave a comment down below if you see any of these products that I showed you at your Dollar Tree. Or even if you see some stuff that I haven't showed, because they are always putting new stuff in, and every time I go in there, I'm like, oh, I have to buy this and I have to buy that. And it's nice to know, like, some Dollar Trees are different in different areas, and some stuff I don't get at my store that you guys might get in yours. And I just really like to see what all you guys can find. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my upcoming video. I'll catch you next time. Bye.